today's video, as you've seen in the title, Burna Boy commemorates the senseless killings done on Lekki tollgate on the 20th of October 2020. Alright guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel. I do a bunch of album reviews, countdowns, reactions such as this, so definitely check out if you haven't. This song is a very sensitive one. Emotionally, like, this whole past 2 weeks have been heavy. There's been a mixture of excitement at the fact that we have finally woken up. We're tired of the BS and we're speaking out. Everybody's so keen, you know what I mean? And everyone's like, we're tired of the oppression that decades, okay? This is a decade-long level of oppression, man. SARS did not start the other day, okay? SARS has been a problem. The police brutality has been a problem in Nigeria. Couple that in a mixture of just bad governance and corruption at the core of the establishment in Nigerian government. And the focus at this point was on police brutality, and a lot of people took to the streets. People in the diaspora as well, just on the social media, the uproar, the level of campaign, the magnitude that we had as Nigerian youth, man. Honestly, such a proud moment that we were so excited about. And at the same time, every day throughout the course of the protest, you're reminded of how incompetent the people in power are in Nigeria. You just reminded, just the other day, we actually got to see a briefing or what a session looks like in, say, the Lagos State Assembly, and man, it was just a wake-up call. But I don't want to go divert too much, and we're also going to talk about a lot, but this song is important because one thing that we know and everyone should know is the fact that art, okay, is meant to reflect the times, and I salute Burna Boy for definitely doing that, to commemorate the fallen soldiers, okay, the people that risked their lives, literally, okay, for justice in Nigeria, fighting for justice, sitting down, singing the national anthem as military gunmen. At this point, they're just, I will call them gunmen. They're not soldiers. They're not soldiers at all, okay? Real soldiers don't do that. These gunmen were really shooting down at civilians, singing the national anthem. People asking for a better Nigeria, man. And big shout out to Burna Boy to try and commemorate that, and not to make this water on the not to make this whole situation water on the bridge, not to dilute, because a lot of these leaders have come out saying there were no killings, there were no fatalities, and it's sad, man, because we saw this shit live, man, on Instagram Live. A lot of people were dropping dead, bro. People were dropping dead. People lost their lives. And for government's first reaction to be like, oh, there were no fatalities, and same videos were photoshopped. They photoshopped Instagram Live, Abby. Like, it's just, anyways, it's just frustrating to know that, and it's important for us to never ever forget the 20th of October ever again, because it was such a striking moment for Nigerians, man. And it was just sad that week. I had definitely one of the worst weeks yet, for sure. But yeah, I don't want to go on too much of a spiel. I don't want to go into much of a spiel right now. So now let's listen to the song. It's called 20-10-20. All right, let's go.
She never but it is we are going to happy your eye never get mankind's a wicked. Talk about my government. Open your mind and your ears.
Come on.
Everything does scatter. 20th of October 2020.
Boy.
You can hear me go kill many youth for Lekki.
Come on, man. Fuck. Come on, man. Man, this is emotional, bro. This is emotional. Cause if you're hearing what it's saying, man, Like this whole experience, just the open yash, basically revealing a lot of the rot in the system, revealing everything, man. And it's just these events were eye-opening, man, eye-opening for sure. Yes. Bruh, make all these dead bodies disturb you for your dream. All this, oh man. You guys don't understand. Throughout the course of the protest, we noticed how the government was pushing back tactically in order to suppress the protest. They were tactically suppressing the protest at many fronts, okay? Sending thugs, these thugs and hoodlums that we see during election day where you hear of violence breaking out around polls, all these thugs that they send, all these thugs that that sacrifice and that betray their fellow youth for chicken change. These thugs that went out there to disrupt property, to cause chaos, and to change the narrative, okay? We know this. We saw videos of security details for government men packing hoodlums into their cars and driving them to around places, giving them instructions as they were breaking down properties and hijacking the protest as a front to show that, oh, this is not a peaceful protest, therefore we're gonna shut it down. We're gonna finding every tactical way to silence protesters, to silence the civilians. And you can hear they were just, man, using corner, man, just going around trying to find ways to bro. That shit was depressing, man, because they were hell bent on silencing people, if not from donations that they were blocking for the feminist coalition, man. There were other fronts where they were just trying to silence people and just arresting civilians out of nothing, man, out of nothing, bro. All of them, man, all of them join. All of them. Buhari, freaking Jide, Sanwo-Olu, Tinubu, all of you now, man. I don't know how you guys sleep at night, bro. I don't know how these guys sleep at night. Amen. Let them disturb you, man. All of your atrocities, all of your corner, dead body, disturb you for your dreams. Come on, man. It's like a very catchy song too, man. Hey. There's nothing, man. Nothing to justify it, bro. Never forget, man. Never forget. Never. Shit. Oh, chills, bro. Chills. Bro.
Everyone sit down.
Bro, man.
They be shot and killed.
Fuck, man. Yo, don't punish these people, man. Bro. Man, that was emotional, bro. That was emotional. That was so hard to realize, man. Never forget, bro. Never forget that day. Where the country was bleeding, bro. For fighting for justice. Just fighting for justice, man. I hope it's a wake-up call to everyone that has not been involved in the fronts to cause change. Because if this doesn't wake you up to how rotten the political system is in Nigeria, how nothing is set up for the ordinary person in Nigeria, we just have to realize, man, we have to We have to make that effort. We have to make that effort too. The little efforts we can do is something as simple as, man, getting voters cards at this moment is a no-brainer, man. I'm still technically a citizen. I'm gonna be, man, this event just pushed me to even look into like voting from here, bro, because there's no way we can stand by and witness such atrocities happen to our fellow brothers and sisters. This shit really hits home, and it's a global issue. Seeing a black nation, bro, let's peep this, a black nation that is the most populous black nation on this earth, to be represented as such is a travesty, bro. It's a travesty to notice that, to notice what Nigerians are going through. And I've been through the whole course of emotions about this protest, and I'm just tired, man. I'm just tired. But we need to keep this fight going, because it's a marathon. We just have to keep it going. The embarrassment is the only language these leaders understand. Let's continue to embarrass them, man. Let's continue to embarrass these people. We can't stand by for these things, man. They said disband SARS, but it's all audio. We know it. They've done it 4 times. They've said it 4 times. They're going to disband this thing, and no results. That's the thing. That's the thing, man. These people are all talk, but no do. So yeah, that's why it's important we definitely get involved, election wise. We need to pick the right people, be involved, man. Not just at the top of the food chain, not just Buhari, because Buhari is just another glimpse to the problem, bro. But down to the local level, man, we need to hold those people accountable as well. We can't just let shit slide. So everyone, man, those Lagos State Assembly people, man, your Yasha is open with those videos. We see the true colors of these people, and I urge everyone to definitely get involved. Get your voting cards. Get your voters cards. Let's go to this polls come 2023. If there's any recent elections that happen in your local area, keep your ears out for that. Definitely, let's get involved and fight against this corruption, this bad governance in Nigeria, man. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, keep the fight going. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Love you guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.